Okay. Uppercase, subject lowercase, department, different titles of date and time. Just we have to run this cd DJANGO 14th November cd filter project py manage.py run server started, copy this, go to here, upper is the URL. Okay, so I want to display the names as upper cases, second one lower, title case, date time provided there. Now my requirement is how to create our own filters. A small concept is there, last one. How to create our own filters means in total name I want to display just 3 letters only. Total name I don't want display, just how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3. First 4 letters I want to display, or first 5 letters. So whatever letters are there, customization of the filters. How to add our own filters? For that, we have to define one folder. Inside folder, create one Python file, then write the code, inject it to the HTML file. So first, based on our requirement, we can create own filters if our predefined filters are not fulfill our requirement. Then we can go with our own filters. For this, first create one folder. Create a folder with the name of template tags inside our application. Inside our application folder. In this folder, create one .py file. Current versions are not required because any folder, if .py file is there, then it is considered as a Python package. That's why we have to create it. Create a special file named with underscore init.py. It is not a constructor, one Python file. Inside this folder. Which folder? Template tags folder. So then DJANGO will consider this folder as a Python package. Finally, create one Python file. inside this folder to define our filters. Any file name you wish. My file name custom filters.py file. File names, folders names your wish. That underscore need.py fixed name. So first one folder is required with this name. Come to atom area. Go to the atom. Filter project. Our app is test app. Right click a folder. This is the template tags folder. In this folder, nothing empty. Right click a new file underscore init. It is one Python blank script file. In this, a new file will be created. File name, any name, your wish. My file name customer filters.py file. Right click new file custfilters.py. This is the created. Now how to create from DJANGO. Import. There is one module is there. Template is the module. This template module, there is one class is there. The class name is library. Class with parenthesis meant for object dot created. Give any reference variable register. Template is the module name. In this library is the predefined class. Class with parenthesis means object got created. Give reference variable register. My requirement is first 5 letters only uppercase I want to display. First 5 letters uppercase I want to display. Create one function def function name anything. First 5 upper is the function. I can pass some value. What the value I am passing? The name, this one. Name upper data is one. Record name. This name all upper cases. I don't want all upper cases. This name I am passing to this function as an argument value. From the value, how to read first characters? Colon 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3 for first 5 characters. How to convert to uppercase? Upper of provided stored into variable result. Return the result. Now this is my function. This function you have to register by using this variable. What is the variable? Register dot predefined function filter function. What is the function name? This is the function name. In the lengthy name badalu you can give a short name. First 5 U kada FFU. So what is the meaning of this one means? Register is a variable which is pointing to a template library class. By using this filter function, I registered with this one as a short name as which one? FFU I can provided there. This function just you can pass to here. Upper is predefined function. What is FFU? First five uppercase our function. Okay. Record dot name. Whatever name is available there, that name passing to this function as a argument. Then this function will be executed. And what is this one? This is pointing to this one. First five characters upper, return the result. Now come to here, refresh. Error we are getting. Template syntax are invalid filter percentage s percentage filter name. 500 server side problem. Server side and function executed. It is going to there. Data is not coming. 500 means server side. 400 our side mistake. 300 redirectional. So, either on the problem. First 5 upper FFU. Error. Internal server error slash upper slash. DJANGO template exceptions, template syntax error. అంటే టెంప్లెట్ ఫైల్లో రాంగ్ ఉంది ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ ఉంది. రికార్డ్ ఆఫ్ నేమ్ కరెక్టే కదా, ఫిల్టర్ నేమ్. ఆర్ నాట్ గివెన్. ఓ సార్ కరెక్టే. First of all, whenever I'm using any staticals, I'm using one statement. What it is? Load static. Correct. So this custom filters is my Python file. This file. But how DJANGO is aware about here means after body curly brace percentage load custom underscore filters. Then చూద్దాం, రీఫ్రెష్. సరే బిగ్ ఎర్రర్ వచ్చింది. కాదు, ఇది ఎప్పుడో ఒకసారి వచ్చింది ఎర్రర్. టెంప్లెట్ సింటాక్స్ ఎర్రర్, అప్పర్ కస్ట్ ఫిల్టర్స్ స్పెల్లింగ్ కరెక్టే. అడ్మిన్ లిస్ట్, అడ్మిన్ మోడిఫై, అడ్మిన్ ఇవల్స్, క్యాచీ, I18 I10. We are not testing L10 testing I18N static tz log. స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్ ఉందా? లేదు కదా. ఫిల్టర్స్ లోడ్ లోడ్ చేసాం కదా. కాదు, ఎర్రర్ ఏమంటున్నాడు వీడు? టెంప్లెట్ సింటాక్స్ ఎర్రర్. టెంప్లెట్లు సింటాక్స్ custom filters is not registered tag library. Line number 17. ఎక్కడ ఇదా? కాదు కాదు, అది కాదు మిస్టేక్. అది కరెక్ట్. అది ఏంటంటే డేట్ అండ్ టైం కోసం, అది కరెక్టే. ఐ థింక్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈజ్ ఇది ప్రీవియస్ వన్ లోడ్ అయింది కాబట్టి స్టాప్ ద సర్వర్, రన్ ద సర్వర్ అగైన్. ఓన్లీ ద థింగ్ ఈజ్ రన్ సర్వర్. ఐ థింక్ దట్. ఇవ్వండి ఫస్ట్ 5 క్యారెక్టర్స్ MAHSH మహేష్, రాధికాలో. సో నౌ చేంజ్ దట్. ఎందుకంటే ప్రీవియస్ వన్ ఆల్రెడీ లోడెడ్ కాబట్టి నవ్ ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ రీస్టార్టెడ్ సర్వర్. That is only the problem. So within your function, cust filters lo :3 అన్నప్పుడు 0 1 2 3 characters it is considered. 3 sun refresh sun mahradlil. So like that, at the time of creating function you can pass the value. That is also possible. Suppose ikkada 5 kada, atla kaakunda calling function I can pass first n numbers. Def first n numbers of value comma n. I want to store result equal to value of colon n dot upper. Return the result. Now register this one, a short name. First n upper, function name is fnu. Call the function here. How to call this function? fnu. మరి how to pass values? It contains argument kada. And how many characters you want required? :2. So it is considered how many values? 2 characters. Refresh. Site not reached. Server restarted. ఏదో ఎర్రర్ ఉంది. First n upper is not defined. Did you mean first 5 upper? Copy paste లో ఎక్కడ పోయింది చూడండి. ఇది ఫస్ట్ ఎక్కడ ఫంక్షన్, ఓహో ఫస్ట్ ఎన్ అప్పర్. ఇప్పుడు సరిపోయిందా? నౌ రీస్టార్ట్. Server started. Now I have to give in 2 letters. If I want to go with ఇక్కడ కాదు, ఇక్కడ n. At the time of passing, here you can give some 8, 7 letters it will be displayed. Sir, atla we have to define custom filters also. Adi last one, the template filters. So compulsory HTML file you have to register. Otherwise you are getting error. How to call the function like this you can call. Inside body, load custom filters. Wherever function is there, fnu colon, how many characters you can require, pass the characters. Anything you can use. Value means one variable. The data I'm passing, this one is receiving. Anything you can use. Here I can use x, x of 5. Here I'm using a of n. Valid only. One value coming there, that's why I'm using value. It is not a keyword. Anything you can give. We are not sending request now, that's why I'm not using request variable, Dhanush. One value I am passing. That's why I'm using a value or x, b, anything, one variable. So next very important chapter, next chapter, the 8th one. Session management. Very important in interview point of view. Sir, general, what is the meaning of a session? Session means so what is the meaning of session management? Session management means what is session management? Simple, we can manage the session, that is called as session management. Yes or no? Managing session is called as session management. What is regular expression? An expression which is used regularly, that is called as regular expression. Alage, if we manage one session, that is called as session management. For example, today someone is missing the class. Tomorrow asking, sir, yesterday missing session, can you please send the recording? Then what to do? Today, whatever I recorded, am I given session or no? That is called as today, what is happening, all will be recorded, given to the person. That is called as session management. For example, here we are talking about the client and server mechanism. My server is available somewhere else. Facebook is there. Everyone using Facebook, Google, Twitter, these things. Sorry, Facebook server am available at Ecuador, New York, somewhere else. He is maintaining the server. New York server is there. But one person accessing client from Hyderabad. I am the client. I am in Hyderabad by using the browser. Browser is nothing but client, web client. What is web client? Browser, Chroma, Firefox or something. From the client, this is the server. I am sending request. I am getting response. Another person sending from another place. Send the request, get the response. So multiple clients are connected. I am sending request. I am getting the request. Server is available somewhere else. Client is available somewhere else. It is in New York. It is in Hyderabad. One person is Mumbai. One person is Delhi. One person is in Amravati. Then how both are communicated? Means between these two, one common language is required. Sir, if I am telling classes in Tamil, are you getting it? If I take classes in Telugu, 99% people will get it. So here all the people are there, entire India. Some people are came from Maharashtra, Odisha, some Malayalam people are there, Chennai people will be there, Gujarati people, Marathi people, and some Jammu Kashmir. All the people are came. Whenever I'm taking in Amirpet classes, all the people are coming. Here 99% only Andhra people and Telangana people are there. In Amirpet class, UP, Jammu Kashmir, ఢిల్లీ నోయిడా ఇటు వెళ్తే ఒడిశా కేరళ పీపుల్ ఎప్పుడు రాలేదు కానీ కేరళ చెన్నై రేర్ ఒడిశా మహారాష్ట్ర గుజరాత్ యూపీ జమ్మూ ఆల్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ మరి ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు కమ్యూనికేట్ ఆల్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ మీన్స్ వన్ కామన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ క్లాస్ తెలుగు ఒడిశా పీపుల్ మహారాష్ట్ర పీపుల్ బీహార్ పీపుల్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ one common language required, that common language is English. Same here also. But client key server ki understandable one common language is required. That common language is, what is the language? HTTP. In that only it will both communicated. And the starting example, whenever I'm sending STR request, instead of that I'm sending HTTP response. That's why one common language required between client and server, that is HTTP. The problem with this HTTP is, it is a protocols. There are so many protocols are there. HTTP, SMTP, FTP, okay, so many protocols are there. This HTTP is a stateless protocol. Stateless protocol. What is the meaning of stateless protocol? Means first client sending the request. Server responded giving same client, again I am sending request. Now server immediately asking, who are you, where are you from sending the request? Just now it is sending request, it is given response. Ante every request, ikkada 3 times I am sending request from the same client. But server don't know about these request. Every request will be considered as a new request. Such type of thing is called as what it is? Stateless protocol. Every request new will be taken. For example, today one student came. I am asking, which class student are you? Sir, I am DJANGO class student only. The student is telling, I am okay, accepted. Class completed. Tomorrow came. Again same student came. Again I am asking same question. Which class student you are? Yesterday he is asking, sir, okay lani. Sir, I am your student only, DJANGO student, 7:30 PM batch. Sir, okay. Third day again came. Again I am asking, which class student you are? Already 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, the student is coming. Again I am asking every day, what is the problem? I am become Ghazni. Because I am not able, what is the problem with the Ghazni in that movie? He not able to understand everything. So that's what he was doing. Every time he can make one selfie with that. Whenever tomorrow you are coming, show this selfie. Then all I can recognize, otherwise no. So Ghazni problem is same only. Every time the person, today he is saying, after half an hour, he is asking simple, who are you? So like that it is also stateless protocol. So Mari, how client information can maintain to the server side? So the best example is in the Ghazni, every time he is not able to recognize as, every time he is treated as a new person. Same thing. I have to tell one more example, that is, sir, assume now it is the assume that it is the full summer season. Summer like May middle means May 15, 20, 25. At that time it is too hot. Yes sir, no. May lo June lo very too hot season and everything. So now what I was doing is I started classes morning 7:30 to my last class 1 o'clock it will be finished. 7:30 AM to 1 PM classes are done. Once classes are completed, go to the flat and happily I can complete the lunch. And now the time is 2 or 2:15, 1 kada 1:30. Okay, now the time is 2:15. It is very too hot, very summer season. Okay, I started AC and happily I am sleeping because again evening 6 o'clock have the class is there. So I have to take the some rest. 2:15 I started sleeping. AC started. Some okay happy sleeping started. Exactly 2:25 p.m. one person came and knocked the door. Oh, first came irritation because of morning 7:30 to 1 o'clock with many students. One irritation. After that, go to the home, take lunch, and started AC. In that summer, happily going to the sleeping. Knock the door. Sirle, ఏం చేస్తాం వెళ్ళి I open the door. Whenever I open the door, the person is washing powder Nirma person came. He is telling happily smiling, sir, we came from washing powder Nirma. You can buy one packet Nirma. Surf one packet free. Like that he is telling very smiley face. I am thinking that okay, Babu, sare. Washing powder the go the dano. Please you can go. I am in sleeping like that. I am telling marketing people came suddenly, sir. If any urgent person, any urgent is there, okay, fine. He came for washing powder advertisement purpose. He is telling buy one packet free. Like that he is telling getting irritation. Close the door. Again sleeping. Again exactly 2:45. Malli one person knocked the door. Okay, this time again I think that maybe another person came like that. I am going to the and I seriously open the door. This time who will came? Sunny Leone came with one cameraman and with her hand one mic is there. One camera person will there. Sunny Leone will be there. 3 persons are there in front of the door. I was shocked. Sunny is okay. Why cameraman and this person all this? I was shocked. Why these people are came? So 1 minute I was in shock. Now I am asking, okay, what Sunny why came to here like this means I am asking. Now yeah. So she is telling with me, sir, in the last week in the Bajaj Electronics, you can buy one TV, na 2 lakhs TV. All the customers, they have to get the lucky dip. You got that lucky dip, you got the good chance. That's why I came to your, like that she is telling. Okay, lucky dip and 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 car istaru. Why Sunny came? Again, I am shocking. She is telling in all the people, you are getting in the lucky dip, you are the winner, sir. That's why I came to here. Okay. Sir, I come inside, sit there. Like that I am telling. Now observe. She is telling, sir, in the lucky dip, the offer is, I am thinking what she is telling, what is the offer? Okay. She is telling offer is, I will ask 3 questions, sir. If you tell the correct answer, I will give 1 lakh cash prize money. Oh, cha. This is the offer. Okay. So, that is the offer she is telling. She will ask 3 questions. Now, observe carefully now onwards. Once she sit there, she is telling, sir, in this lucky dip, the offer is, I will ask 3 questions. If you tell the correct answers, I will give this 1 lakh check for you. Like that she is telling. Ante started conversation. Sunny and me. Ante first time she is telling everything for me. Why she came and everything. Ante first request already came from Sunny. I accepted. So ikkada Sunny is the client. I am the server. Okay, start the question I am asking. She is asking the first question. Ante second request came from the Sunny. The question is, sir, who is our Prime Minister? The first question. What is the question? Who is our Prime Minister? So immediately, what is my answer? Who is the Prime Minister? Yeah. Now immediately my answer is, I am giving response to the Sunny. Actually, first of all, who are you? Why are you asking all these questions? Nonsense. Get out from my home. So she is asking question, sir, who is Prime Minister? I think if you tell Modi or else we don't answer. I'm asking asalu, who are you? Why are you coming to my flat? Why are you asking all this nonsense? Ante previously whatever she is telling everything gone. I don't know why she came purpose. Sir, Sunny is telling, okay, sir, sorry, wait, I will tell again. Again, in the next request, she is explaining everything. Sir, you are getting lucky deep. Sounds you are getting. I will ask 3 questions. Can you please tell? Ah, okay, done. I accepted. I am given response. Again, she is asking question. Sir, who is our Prime Minister? My answer is same again. Who are you? Why are you asking all this nonsense? This time I am sleeping. There is no work for you. Nonsense of this. Malli again she was shocked. Previously when I opened the door I was shocked. Now she got the shocked. Are you mental? Pagal hai kya? 2 times I am telling again. He is asking only one question. Who are you? Why are you asking all this? Because of every request taken as a new request. Just I am telling na Ghazni. Same story. That's why we have to maintain some special mechanism between the client and server. Such a type of mechanism is nothing but session management. Total entire session we can manage for those things. A special mechanism is there. That mechanism is nothing but session management. To manage this session, 2 ways are there. One is cookies. Second one, another concept is there. So first one, client and server can communicate with some common language, which is nothing but, sir, HTTP. Client and server can communicate with some common language, which is nothing but HTTP. The basic limitation of HTTP is it is stateless protocol. It is the stateless protocol. That is, it is unable to remember client information for future purpose across multiple requests. So whenever client is sending multiple requests, my server is not able to identify every request. It will treat as new. Every request to the server is treated as a new request only. That is the problem. To remember client information at server side, to remember client information at server side. Some special mechanism must be required. Which is nothing but session management. Adi session management meaning. So I want to maintain all client information to the server side. Some special mechanism is required. That mechanism is nothing but session management mechanism. There are two ways are there to manage the session. One is, what is the first one? Already you know this one. Cookies. Second one, session API. Cookies అంటే ఎక్కడ వినే ఉంటారు కదా జనరల్గా విత్ ఇన్ ద సిస్టమ్. జనరల్గా వాట్ ఈస్ ద కుకీస్? నాట్ సబ్జెక్ట్. డాగ్ బిస్కెట్సా? డాగ్ బిస్కెట్స్ అంటే స్వామి. యా, బిస్కెట్స్ పైన వేస్తారు కదా స్మాల్ స్మాల్వి, దివి కుకీస్. అవి కుక్కలేదంటే ఏంటి? డాగ్ బిస్కెట్స్ అట్లా. సో cookies are nothing but, sir, in programming lo small information it can be maintained. Generally these are all the cookies, the small things whatever available, those are cookies. So first one is session management. Cookies can maintain very small information only, which can be created by server, maintained by client. Server will create cookies and given to the client. Who is responsible to maintain? Client. Server don't know about all these things. Best example is in villages, there are some, go to small villages, there are some RMP doctors are there. Villages lo general ga RMP doctors will be there. He is one man army. He is only the doctor, he is only the compounder, he is only the medical shop owner, he is only the cleaning also room. Whenever he can open the room, first he will clean the room, then he will sit there, who is coming patient, he is waiting. So now observe here carefully. Doctor is the, assume that our programming language lo server, he is the server అనుకోండి, because doctor దగ్గరికి multiple patients are coming అంటే multiple clients, so he is the server. Now first patient came. Whenever patient is coming, he is suffering from fever. First time he is coming, so patient don't know anything about information. He is telling information to the doctor, sir, I am suffering from fever from last 3 days onwards. RMP doctor means immediately don't know anything, just is checking the symptoms. Okay, 3 days normal fever, okay, just he will assume and he will use the some tablets. So first time observe carefully. Whenever patient came, doctor is asking, are you coming first time, second time? He is telling first time, sir. Okay, tell your name and all the things. He is written one, అడిగిన ఒక ఉంటుంది కదా బుక్లెట్, చిట్టి he can prepared your name, your age, what is your what is the fever, temperature, all this, and he will give some 3 medicines. And he prepared your name, your age, your fever, temperature, ఒక 2 types of medicines is given. I use this one morning, afternoon, evening. After 3 days, you can come. This chit will be prepared by who is prepared? Doctor, and will be given to which one? Patient. So assume that this is a cookie అనుకోండి, slip 1. This slip is nothing but cookie. So now after 3 days again you can came. Fever is not controlled. Now who is responsible to get that slip? Client or server? Client only. Server don't anything. Second time you can came to the hospital. I am asking, are you first time, second time? No sir, I am coming second time. Aite first time when you came 3 days back, I am given one slip for you, nothing but cookie. Where is that slip? Doctor is asking. Whenever you are given slip, then he will check that, okay, your name, temperature, medicine. Still your fever is not controlled. What he will do? He will give another medicine. Just like doctor will do experiment on the patient and he don't give direct medicines. Yeah. So when the second request came, idigondi, at the time of when you given second request, here compulsory request plus what you can carry? Slip. If a slip is not there, he does not recognize it. So here also client server cookies mechanism is first time request came. Server created cookie along with response he will send. In the second time, you can come with that cookie, ikkada terminology slip. Suppose one more patient came, patient 2. First time he is sending request. He is having any cookies? Nothing. Now who will create cookie? Server. Server will, now our programming terminology. He is given response plus cookie. Now fine. Whenever he is sending second request, compulsory the client is responsible to send a request plus cookie. Then server will recognize, already he came second time. He will process the request. Such a type of mechanism is called as cookies. Cookies are just like key value pairs dictionaries. A small information can be maintained by the cookies. So RMP doctor is the best example for this cookie session management, because always patient is the responsible to maintain the slip. Doctor just to generate the slip given to the patient. Such a type of thing is called as cookies management. Remember this one. Cookies is a very small amount of information created by server and maintained by client. Cookies are key value pairs, nothing but dictionaries. Cookies is a very small amount of information created by the server and maintained by the client. Suppose simple examples are ikkada browser ఉంది కదా. Browser is the client. Once I am sending request to Gmail, service available somewhere else. If I am login, directly it is login to my mail ID. Then how the information is available? Within the browser, where it is cookies. You can go to internal cookies, remove all the cookies, then type Gmail. Is it asking login page? Already is it logged? It will ask login page. Already logged in kabatti it is coming directly. Okay. So cookies always client side, means browser side your data is available. So client is always responsible to maintain. Server don't know anything about this one. Once you send the request, you can send with the cookie to the new request, second time request. Such type of things are called as cookies. Good day, biscuit. So now theoretically I will tell how to add cookies to the response, because Response will be sent by the server. Request will be sent by client. Response will be given by server. So just now I'm sending request. Suppose google.com. I'm sending request. I'm getting response from the server. So along with sending response, the method is response dot set underscore cookie. Cookie name comma value. Key value pairs dictionary it is forwarded. Cookies అనేది dictionary. So server is sending along their response, he will give one key value pairs to the cookies. Now once I am receiving, second time once I send request, compulsory can send request with these cookies. Now how to get cookies sent by the client. And now client is sending request plus cookie. How it will be received? From the dictionary, how to read the data? Suppose a dictionary is their key value pairs. I will give 3. What is the difference between all these 3? Request will be sent by this one. The dictionary name is cookies of C name. Cookies is dictionary. Dictionary of C name. Deeniki. And this one ki cookies anedi dictionary. Get of C name. What is the difference? Direct accessing ki get of C name ki. ఎందుకంటే server created set cookie C name value. Suppose C name A value 10 అనుకోండి. Cookies of A, cookies dot get of A. What is the difference between 48, 49? Cookies అనేది dictionary. Direct accessing ki get ki difference. మరి ప్రీవియస్ కుకీస్ ఆఫ్ సీనియం అంటే అప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్ వాల్యూనే కదా. ఇన్ ద డిక్షనరీ అప్పుడు ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ ఆల్రెడీ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సరే చూడండి, గో టు ఐడిఎల్ఈ. వన్ డిక్షనరీ ఈజ్ దేర్. సార్ కీ 101, ద వాల్యూ ఈజ్ సన్నీ. ఓకే, ఇది ఒక డిక్షనరీ టైప్ ఆఫ్ డి. ఓకే, I want to ask D of 100. Direct accessing, what is the value? You know the D of 100 ante? Leda, sorry. D of 101. Sunny we are getting. D of 102. We are getting error. Same, I want to print D dot get of 101. Now, Sunny. Same thing, I can use D dot get of 1 or 2. Then return value none. Am I getting error? None. Adi difference of this one. And then while execution program, if key is not there, you are getting key error. Ante runtime error. Your program terminated. Browser will raise key error. I don't want raise error. Then I can use which one? Get. Because if the key is not there, then you are getting none. Now, what is the meaning of third one? C name, comma, default value. What is the meaning of this one? If key is not there, I want to send my own value. Suppose ikkada key. I don't want none. I want my own value. Based on that, I have to do some comparisons. Suppose I want to send -1. If value is -1, I can return something. For example, here print D dot get of 102. If Sunny is not there, return Pinny. Then what it will return? Pinny. Now I have to compare. If value equal to Pinny, Babu so-and-so key is not available. That's why highly recommended one, either second or third one. First one, if you're using, okay, program will executed. When problem came means, if the specified key is not available, then you are getting key error, your program terminated. That is the problem. So that is first one, adding cookies to the response and get the cookies sent by the client. This is the way. Ante once you sending cookie to the server, server will read like this. If the cookie is available, it will send the response. If the cookie is not available, it is not sending the request. Practically tomorrow I will tell. Today we'll wind up the session.